What's the ultimate Indian comfort food? Easy to make, easy to digest and extremely tasty and nutritious. A blessing for the homemaker to dish out in case of an emergency, on a rainy day, on a cold day. Also, it needs very simple accompaniments like a pickle, papad or a fresh bowl of curd and raita. It also serves as a wonderful detox recipe, especially after festival binging. Any guesses? Keep watching. Namaskaram. I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch and Mull. So, what is the comfort food that I am going to be cooking today? It's our humble khichdi. Khichdi is very popular in North India and Central India. It's very easy to digest and is rich in proteins. It becomes more nutritious when we make it with either millets or brown rice. So today I am going to be making brown rice khichdi with a lot of vegetables, and it's extremely suitable for all age groups. The young, the old, middle-aged, everybody loves it. Come, let's make it. So let's look at the ingredients to make our tasty and nutritious brown rice khichdi recipe with vegetables. I have taken a cup of brown rice. I have taken the Rajamudi variety. 3/4 cup of yellow moong dal. It is best to use green moong dal with skin to increase the fiber content. Vegetables is completely your choice. Here I have taken 1 large potato, 3 medium-sized carrots, 1 bowl of sprouted horse gram. I have taken 1 cup of green peas, and now for the spices, 1 green chili slit, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Vegans can use oil instead. Adding sprouts to the khichdi is optional, but adding them makes it extremely nutritious. It's your choice what you add. You could add moong, chana, methi, horse gram, any of these sprouts. So here let's switch on the gas, and I have taken a pressure cooker. So once the cooker is heated, I'll just lower the flame, add ghee. As I said, vegans can use oil. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding the slit green chili and the jeera. Saute it, adding the potatoes, the carrots, the peas. Just mix it. It's best to chop the vegetables in large chunks for khichdi, as it is known in Bengal. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes, and then we will add the sprouts and the spices. So let me lower the flame, and now I am adding the sprouts towards the end, adding the turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt to taste. Give it a mix. A wonderful aroma emanates. So here I have mixed the rice and the dal, and I have rinsed it twice, and now I am adding this. Give it a good stir so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. You can add vegetables like French beans, cauliflower, pumpkin. It's your choice. See how colorful our khichdi is looking. And now it's time to add the water. For 1 cup of rice and 3/4 cup of dal, I am adding about 6 cups of water. I like my khichdi to be soft, so a little additional water could be added. Give it a mix. So now all that we have to do is pressure cook this for about 3 whistles, and after 3 whistles, lower the flame to a sim flame for 5 minutes and then switch it off. So now 3 whistles are over. I'll put the flame on a sim flame for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes on sim flame is over. Let me switch off the gas now. So the cooker has cooled. So we'll open it. The khichdi is still warm. A soft Moong khichdi with brown rice and vegetables is ready. Looks so yummy. It's hot. Here's my delicious brown rice khichdi loaded with vegetables. Let me taste my khichdi. Delicious. I'm going to have it with pickle, papad and a bowl of fresh curd. It's best to use moong dal to make khichdi, especially when one is sick, because it is very easy to digest. But you can also use tur dal. When you are in a hurry or you're just not up to it to dish out an elaborate meal for your family, what is your go-to option? Let's mull over it. So on the days when you just don't feel like it, do you resort to ordering food from outside, or do you resort to some instant processed food like instant noodles? So we've just seen how simple and easy it is to dish out a bowl of hot steaming khichdi. Any day, this is far better than ordering food from outside or cooking a bowl of instant noodles. And if you feel that adding vegetables, cutting them and adding vegetables is laborious, then you could omit that. Any day, a bowl of brown rice or millet or rice and moong dal khichdi is much nutritious. By the way, what are your go-to recipes which are very easy to make and nutritious at the same time? Do share them with me in the comment section below. Before I forget, don't miss the short What's the Wellness Word episode, which have a lot of useful information for you. If you found this episode useful, how about clicking the like button and sharing them with your friends and relatives? Until we meet again, bye.
Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.